Hello everybody, thanks for joining. As CEO and founder of TRI Dental Implants, I would like to take you through our system overview today, which comprises all the elements you need to know about the TRI Dental Implant System. So as we start into the brochure, let's open it. We first see the landscape of Switzerland. Switzerland is the base of our success. We provide 100% Swiss quality products. And what we wanted to create is a sweet spot positioning with our product system. With high quality from Switzerland, modern features covering all the latest gold standards of the industries, a super easy to use system with an intelligent portfolio, a great price, and obviously a digital workflow that is cost efficient, fast, simple and intuitive. All these 5 values together provide a mix and positioning that is very attractive for starters in implantology but also experienced users. When we open the page, we see on the left side our TRI performance concept, the bone and tissue level implant, our TRI pod, and the digital workflow. And the DNA of our system is really our TRI performance concept, where we said we want to have the best surface for great osseointegration with the SBA surface. We want to have the perfect implant design for primary stability with a tapered implant design. We want to have a connection with a hexagon interface for good positioning and a slight conical aspect on the upper part. And on the top, very important for the aesthetics, a soft tissue design that provides a lot of thick soft tissues for the aesthetic zone. So let's look at these features in detail. The soft tissue management, for example, is absolutely unique and a great development that helps provide stable crosstal bone levels and great aesthetic soft tissue. All the components have the same emergence profile, whether it's a healing collar, impression post or final abutment, with a concave design creating a lot of space for thick tissues. All studies indicate that this provides the best protection for stable crustal bone levels. On the other side, the simplicity of our system. 3 implant diameters with 1 connection. Whatever abutment you open, it will fit on our implant. With the standard line of abutment components, and some highlights like the 2-in-1 impression abutment where you have an impression post and a final abutment in one component, the all-on TRI abutment for all-on-4 treatments, or the TRI base which is patented and can be individualized to your needs. Now our connection, the TRI friction connection, is, as we like to say, probably the strongest connection in the world. It has a frictional internal hexagon connection for maximum rotational and axial stability. And on the top, a 45-degree conical seal. When you place this, it is in there and it's really tough to get it out, which is great for long-term reliability and stability in working with your patients. Now the beauty of our system with the implant design. For experienced users, you will feel immediately the great primary stability that you have with our implant design. It has basically 3 sections, an aggressive apical thread pitch, a implant design for great attachment to the spongiosa in the midsection, and in the upper part wider implant threads to reduce the pressure from the crestal bone. It's triple lead threads, so you sink it with every turn 1.8 mm, it goes fast, and at the same time it has a 0.5 mm machined neck, so you have flexibility in placing the implant a little bit higher or a little bit lower. The basis for long-term success is the surface, where we have a success rate of 98.1% measured on a consistent quarterly basis with all our products worldwide and in studies which you can look up. And at the same time we have a bone level and tissue level implant. Both have the same implant bodies and a machined 0.5 mm neck on the bone level and a tissue level with 1.8 mm. This is compatible to the Straumann octagon connection. This is compatible to the hexagon connections of the world. What is great about the tissue level is, which we like actually most, is the pink neck for aesthetic treatments in the anterior or posterior, and an aggressive thread pitch so that you can really have great immediate loading cases even with a tissue level implant. Now our slogan is to touch it is to love it. You will really appreciate our products once you touch them. And the tripod is one nice example of it, where you really have easy access to the implant. The implant surface has no contact and hence is super clean during transportation, and it's beautiful to look at. It has a cover screw integrated, and this tripod is really what we say a slight handling revolution for anyone who likes to work with implants. Now, digital is really dominating our life. We run our company on a very lean and digital workflow, but the same applies to the products. We are compatible to the leading providers in digital like Dental Wings, 3Shape, Exocut, Cerax, Mop, SigCut or Materialize, or even now Plan Mecca, Noble Guide or Carestream. We provide the hardware components for the guided surgery process or the CAD-CAM, and hence can cover the entire digital workflow as your partner, whatever digital software system you use. Here you have an overview on our simplicity of the system. One surgical kit with which you can place the bone level, 3.7 for 147 diameter, or the tissue level, same diameters, 3.7 for 147. We have a special niche implant, the narrow, with 3.3 diameter, and all implants are coming on a length of 6.5 to 60 millimeters, depending on the type. We invite you to actually check out our TRI Academy global education program, where we provide courses all across the globe. And as you can see on the back page, we are active in 45 markets. So wherever you are, give us a call. It's very likely we are next door. You can also follow us on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube or LinkedIn. And we look forward to seeing you and starting with TRI.